In today's video, we have some exciting and potentially game-changing news in the world of print on demand. In case you haven't heard yet, Printify and Printful, two of the biggest powerhouses in the industry, have officially announced a merger. Yes, the news circulating about this is very much real. Now, whenever a big change like this happens, it's natural to see strong opinions flying around. And with that comes a lot of clickbait. Let's face it, as humans, we're drawn to the drama. It's why you click on YouTube videos that have the big shocked faces. Admit it, you know you do it too. Big changes like this often spark big reactions. And I could certainly use a loud voice and big gestures to tell you how wild this whole thing is. But that is not me. Instead, I want to just chat with you from one business owner to another and cut through the noise, break down what we know so far, and help you navigate changes like this as a business owner. Because at the end of the day, adapting to change is one of the greatest assets we can have as entrepreneurs. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Mandy, and as the owner of multiple six-figure businesses, including Etsy print on demand shops, my goal is to provide you with strategies to simplify the journey and scale your business faster so that you can stop the overwhelm, start making progress, and thrive with your print on demand business. And today's news is no different in that mission. Now, what we know so far, let's start with the details. For starters, it's worth noting that this is being called a merger, not an acquisition. That's an incredibly important distinction in the world of mergers and acquisitions, or M&As as they're sometimes called. A merger means both companies are joining forces to combine their strengths with the goal of creating something even better, rather than one company simply taking over the other. According to the announcement, this merger is all about bringing together the best of both worlds. The platforms themselves aren't going anywhere, so for those of you who already work with either Printful or Printify, like myself, you'll still have access to all your current features and support for the foreseeable future. Since this is a merger and not an acquisition, both companies will instead continue to operate under one new parent company that is yet to be named, allowing us the potential to benefit from the combined strengths of both platforms. Again, that's what makes this different from a takeover. This merger is about collaboration, not dominance. Fun fact, both head offices for Printify and Printful are in Riga, Latvia, literally just across the neighborhood from each other. When I was in Riga for the Amplified event, we could actually see Printful in the distance while walking through the streets near our hotel. So, if nothing else, communication between the two shouldn't be a problem. With this merger, here's some additional things that they have said are on the horizon. Number one, an expanded product line. We'll see more top quality options like embroidery and knitwear, which opens up opportunities for us to offer more unique, in demand products for our customers. A bigger global reach. Faster, broader shipping coverage means better access to international markets. A commitment to quality. Both Printful and Printify have a reputation for high quality, and so that will extend across their entire supplier network, offering us more reliability to help build and foster customer trust with our businesses. Maximizing profitability. With combined resources, my hope and their commitment is that both companies are aiming to support us in continuing to be profitable and efficient in our business. There's often power in numbers, and having that power of volume, I think, will be really helpful here. A streamlined platform experience. They've said that they're investing in making the platform as easy and intuitive as possible so that, again, we as business owners can focus on growing our businesses. And then, of course, 24/7 service. They're continuing to invest in making sure that we have 24/7 access to their merchant support team which for me personally is one of the reasons why I have loved Printify from day one. Now, I personally don't know any additional specific details beyond what has been shared publicly, and the merger deal is still being finalized. But as a fellow print on demand business owner, I'm really optimistic about what these could mean for all of us. I know that anytime big changes happen, it's natural to feel a bit nervous, or perhaps even take a more pessimistic view. But here's my challenge to you: change can also mean growth. Now, certainly, there are unknowns in all of this. Will the systems eventually merge? Will fulfillment look different? Is there combined pricing for monthly subscriptions? And more. There are lots of questions. These are legitimate questions, and all of these can have varying degrees of impact on all of us. And some might even require us to make changes in our workflows and other aspects of our business. I get it. I have been at the table for corporate M&A discussions in a past life, and I can tell you right now that it requires a huge amount of time and effort to sort through lots of details. And some things will get figured out and shared sooner than others. That being said, at the moment, I don't believe we're going to see any massive shifts in systems or prices or anything like that in 2024. So I don't foresee any disruptions to our Q4. Beyond that, though, time will tell. But I can tell you that after getting to meet many of the Printify staff while in Latvia for Amplified, I have confidence that they will share more details as things become finalized. And they're always good about listening to us as merchants when we have concerns about changes that are made and trying to accommodate feedback when they can. And then, of course, it's up to us as individual business owners to decide how we're going to grow, adapt, and move forward. And this is where I encourage you to shift your mindset for success. Change can feel unsettling, but it's also one of the best ways to grow and push ourselves as entrepreneurs. Let this moment be a reminder of the excitement and potential that comes with being a business owner. When we embrace change with optimism and a readiness to learn, we're able to take advantage of new opportunities that can move us forward. If you're feeling uncertain about this big change, here are a few recommendations I have for you for staying focused. Number one, view change as an opportunity, not a threat. When you shift from change is disruptive to change brings opportunity, it opens up new possibilities. As we learn more in the coming weeks and months, ask yourself how this change could help you potentially add value to your shop, whether that's through product expansion, better shipping, or increased quality. By focusing on what you can gain, you're more likely to spot opportunities. Number two, embrace adaptability. In business, and quite frankly in life, things rarely stay the same, which means resilience is key. This is a reminder to stay adaptable and keep learning, even if the industry changes. Your ability to pivot is what will set you apart. Adaptability isn't just reacting to change, it's actively seeking ways to turn it to your advantage. And number three, stay focused on your own progress. It can be tempting to watch how everyone else is reacting and start comparing ourselves to others, or even get sucked into a downward spiral. But remember, this is about your business and your goals. Focus on the actions that you can take, the decisions you can make, and control the controllables in your business. Focus on what will move you forward. And finally, an extra little word of encouragement. If you're feeling unsure, know that that's completely normal. In business, the real key to success isn't just keeping things the same, It's about learning to adapt, grow, and thrive, even in times where you don't have all the answers. Take this merger as a chance to build momentum, explore new ideas, and keep evolving as a seller. Get laser focused on what you can control, keep serving your customers in the best way that you can, and keep moving forward. I'll keep you posted as the new updates come out, but in the meantime, I'd love to hear what you think. Are you excited? Are you curious? Do you have questions or thoughts on how this might impact your business? Drop them in the comments and let's talk about it. Remember, business is all about growth, both in our shops and within ourselves. This merger has the potential to help us thrive in new ways, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. Keep moving forward, stay adaptable, and keep creating amazing things for your customers. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next one.